Everywhere you look in tech today, it's either AI, ML, RPA, data science. The headlines scream about the next thing. Undoubtedly, they are quite transformative. It's going to be a big thing in the future. But there is a quiet giant still powering much of the world's digital infrastructure and technology. A giant many mistakenly believe that is fading away. I'm talking about Java technology. In Vietnam, the narrative is quite similar. An young developer is gravitating towards Python for immediate gratification or development of AI. But what does the reality look for Java here in Vietnam? Is its future really dim, or is there a robust landscape of opportunity? Let's go ahead with the discussion now. Before we look at Vietnam specifically, let us try to understand why Java has remained an enterprise powerhouse for decades. What are the key and core strengths? Firstly, stability and scalability. Java is built for making mission-critical applications in the banking sector, in e-commerce, you name it. It handles high traffic and complex transactions with a great degree of reliability. This isn't hype, it's a proven performance. Secondly, its mature ecosystem and community. Think Spring Boot, Hibernate, Apache Kafka, a colossal library of tools, frameworks, and a global community supporting this. And finally, performance. While Python is very good at developing prototyping, Java's JVM actually handles serious performance for large-scale systems. It runs everywhere, from embedded systems to large cloud computing servers. So now let us see Java's role in modern technology beyond the traditional. Java isn't just about legacy systems, it's reinvented itself time and again. Today it's the backbone of critical modern tech trends. Now let us discuss three major points. Firstly, the cloud native development and microservices. Think Spring Boot. It's the undisputed king for building scalable microservices deployed either in AWS, Azure or Google Cloud. This is where the modern applications live. Next, we come to big data processing. While Python gets the glory for data science, the underlying engines for massive data processing like Apache, Hadoop, Kafka and Spark are predominantly written in Java. Java developers build the robust pipelines. And finally, it's the fintech and enterprise solutions. The banking and financial services sector, with its high security and transaction volume, relies heavily on Java. From trading platforms to payment gateways, Java is foundational. Now, let's bring it home. What does this all mean for Java's future right here in Vietnam? Firstly, Vietnam's rapidly growing digital economy relies heavily on the robust back-end systems. Major banks like Vietcombank, Techcombank and global players with strong presence here like Standard Chartered often build their core systems on Java. Beyond finance, e-commerce giants, logistics platforms and even government digital offices in Vietnam leverage Java for their heavy lifting. As these sectors grow, so does the demand for skilled Java professionals. Vietnamese tech companies and outsourcing firms also have strong Java capabilities, both local and for international clients. This creates a continuous need for fresh talent from junior developers to experienced architects in cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. While AI is exciting, it often integrates with existing enterprise systems. Guess what powers those systems? Often is Java. So the ability to bridge these worlds is becoming incredibly valuable. Of course, it's not without challenges. The competition is fierce and staying current is vital. So Java developers in Vietnam need to, we'll point out 3 points. Embrace modern Java ecosystem. Master Spring Boot, cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, Kubernetes and CI/CD pipelines. This is where the innovation happens. Understand domain-driven design and microservices architecture. Building reliable, resilient systems is the key. And thirdly, cultivate problem solving and communication skills, which is still a problem here. This needs to be solved. Beyond coding, you need to solve complex business problems and articulate them properly. So, is Java dead in Vietnam? Absolutely not. It's evolving, integrating, and remains a cornerstone of enterprise technology. The future for skilled Java professionals in Vietnam is not just secure but full of dynamic opportunities. If you are a Java developer in Vietnam or considering this path, understand its enduring power and focus on those modern skills which I mentioned prior to this. You are the backbone of our digital economy. So, what are your thoughts about the future of Java in Vietnam? Do share your comments in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you get more IT insights in the future. See you in the next video soon.